Go ahead, you can start. So that's the fill. Actually, probably wasn't tight at all. Well, the torque settings are not that high for these. So that's good. I'm gonna do the drain now. So this is after, that's actually pretty good after 90 some thousand miles.
Yeah, pretty clean.
Just let that drain out. I usually like wait till like it's a trickle or.
Yeah.
So 8mm for the fill hole and for the drain hole. Did the fill hole first, then the drain hole. That fluid's in great condition for 90,000 miles. Thing 7585 from FCP Euro for the front differential today. 1.1 quarts with this hand transfer pump.
All right, let's torque the drain plug back on.
Okay.
What was that?
25 foot-pounds.
25 foot-pounds.
£25
Yep. Did it feel like about that amount when you took it off?
Yeah.
Similar to the oil change?
Yep.
Okay. Hopefully you have enough room to get underneath there.
I think so.
There we go.
I see a little bit starting to drip out.
Already? After 1 quart? Huh. Well, the guide does say that the 1 quart represents nominal values, so depending on how level we got the truck and all that, we probably didn't drain out 1.
We'll switch over to the other quart. This is
Okay. That should be like 1.1, right?
Yeah, don't you usually make it till it comes out?
Oh yeah. Well, it says slow trickle out.
Yeah.
You're thinking it'll trickle out as you're pumping it?
Oh yeah, it'll trickle out. Okay. Have a slow trickle or?
I think so. Well, you have to remove the whole thing to see, right?
Let me take it out.
I can move the pan over.
Oh, okay. Oh, I think I may have overfilled it.
Well, it's gonna trickle out right now. .25 foot-pounds, tightening the fill plug hole.